The market theme Nifty unlikely to ignore fresh fighting in Iran. The headlines. 1. Crude oil climbed above $90.80 per barrel. 2. US President Donald Trump has said that the US would strike Iran hard. Trump also said that the US would soon take control of Iran's oil infrastructure points, with a broader operation to assume control of the country's oil and gas markets and infrastructure, including Kharag Island, expected in the not-too-distant future. 3. Indian sailors killed in US strike on oil tanker. 3. Inflation concerns resurfaced in the US after a stronger-than-expected PPI reading, reinforcing expectations of tighter Fed policy. US PPI climbed 6.5% YoY, its highest level since November 2022, reinforcing concerns that inflationary pressures remain persistent and reinforcing concerns that the Federal Reserve may have to keep rates higher for longer. Bottom line, Nifty remains hostage to incoming headlines on the escalating Middle East conflict. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's volatile session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 1987 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 40 to 25 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bearish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals suggest massive breakdown on the downside. F&O June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 and 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 15.61 levels. At last check, USD INR, June, was trading firm near 95.83 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th June, is at 1.03 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.97. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.76. Midcap Nifty is at 1.00. Nifty outlook volatility is likely to be the hallmark of today's trade, with wild swings expected as investors navigate geopolitical developments, inflation concerns, and red across global stock markets. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,162. Biggest make-or-break support for Nifty is now placed at 22,900 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 23,551 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 22,900 and 23,400. Bias for the day is negative. Sensex, CMP 73,833. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 73,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 74,700 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 73,000 to 74,300. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 55,177. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 53,843 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 55,800 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 54,000 and 55,500. Bias for the day is negative. Stock market news. 1. SpaceX IPO. Elon Musk's SpaceX is reportedly set to debut on Nasdaq on 12 June, offering 555.6 million shares at $135 each and targeting a valuation of around $1.8 trillion. The listing could become one of the largest IPOs ever and a landmark event for the commercial space sector. The biggest headwind. FII selling continues unabated, with FY27 outflows swelling to a massive 1,71,448 crore rupees, keeping market sentiment fragile. World Bank sees India growth slowing to 6.6% in FY27 as energy shock weighs on demand. Stocks in spotlight. Stocks closed in green. 1. Tejas Networks rose 4.12% after announcing a strategic partnership with Rakuten Symphony to develop Open RAN solutions and jointly expand in India and global markets. Stocks closed in red. 1. Alembic Pharmaceuticals slipped 0.35% even after receiving tentative USFDA approval for its Sanda for larotrectinib capsules. 2. Tata Consultancy Services fell 0.85% despite announcing a global strategic partnership with Anthropic to accelerate enterprise AI adoption using Claude models.